In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy tool for anyone who frequently needs to email the same group of people, like a team, a department, or even a group of friends. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to streamline your communication in Outlook by sending emails to a group with just a few clicks. To get started, you'll want to log into your Outlook account. Once you're in, look over to the left navigation pane and click on the People icon. It's the one that looks like a silhouette of two people. This will take you to your contact management area, which is where you'll be setting up your email group. Next, at the top of your screen, you'll see the toolbar where you'll want to click on the arrow right next to where it says New Contact. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select New Contact List. This is essentially the same as creating a new email group. Now that you've initiated the process of creating an email group, you'll notice a field that says Contact List Name. This is where you type the name of your group. Think of something descriptive like Marketing Team or Project A Team. This name will make it easy to find and reference later. Then we move on to adding members to your list. In the box labeled Add Email Addresses, you can start typing the names or email addresses of the individuals you want to include. Outlook is pretty smart here. It will suggest matches from your existing contacts and your organization's directory to make the process quicker and easier for you. You can continue to add as many people as you need to this group. Remember, this feature is designed to save you time, so make sure you include everyone you want. Optionally, you can also add a description for your group. This can be helpful if you manage multiple lists and need a quick reminder of each group's purpose. Once you've added your contacts and are happy with your list, go ahead and click the Create button. Congratulations, you've just set up your email group. Now that your group is ready to go, it's time to put it to use. When you're composing a new email, simply type the name of your group into the To field. This magic trick automatically includes all the members of the group in your email. No need to type out each individual address, which saves you a lot of hassle and guarantees nobody gets accidentally left out. And there you have it. You've now streamlined your email communication in Outlook by creating a group. Enjoy the convenience this brings to your daily workflow and stay organized with ease. Thanks for watching.